Have you ever thought about this question? What if a person is suffering so much that living itself becomes a painful? Should they have the right to choose how they die? Today, we are talking about a very sensitive but important topic, the right to die with the dignity. In India, the idea of living with the dignity is already accepted, but now people are asking if we have the right to live with dignity, they shouldn't we also have the right to die with dignity? These debates is not simple. It involves emotions, law, medical ethics, and humanity. Recently, the Supreme Court of India has taken an important step. It has clarified and strengthened the concept of passive euthanasia and living will. Now you might be wondering, what does that mean? Let me explain in a simple word. Passive euthanasia means a person can choose to stop medical treatment if they are in a terminal condition and there is a no hope of a recovery. A living will a document where a person writes to, in advance what should happen if the become critically ill in the future. For example, if someone in a on life support with a no choice of recovery, they can already decide whether they want to continue treatment or not. This is important because many people suffer silently in hospitals, connected to machines without any real change of living a normal life again. In such cases, continuing treatment sometimes only increase the pain, not life. The court believes that dignity should not end with life. It should continue till death. But this decision is not without concern. Some people worry that this right could be misused. What if family force decisions for a financial reason? What if patients are not full aware when they make these choices? That's why the court has also said there must be strict guidelines and safeguards. Doctors, legal processes, and concern, everything must be carefully checked. Imagine a person who has been suffering for years, unable to move, unable to speak, completely dependent on a machine. Is that really living, or it is it just existing? This is where the idea of dignity becomes a powerful, because sometimes letting go peacefully in more human than forcing someone to continue suffering. In the end, this is not just a legal issue, it is a human issue. The right to die with dignity in about a compassion, respects and understanding pain. India is slowly moving forward in recognizing this right, but the journey is still ongoing. So let me, what do you think? Should every person have the right to choose a dignified death? Comment your thoughts below. And if you found this video meaningful, don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.